Hello everybody, today we're gonna make beef pasta with mushroom. Let's start. First, with little oil in the pan with high heat, we fry the beef for 5 minutes and we take it out. In the same pan, we add 1 tablespoon of butter. We add the onion with the mushroom. We fry for 5 minutes in the medium heat. After 5 minutes, we add 1 tablespoon of flour. We mix it for 20 seconds and we add 1 cup of beef stock. We mix it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we add 1 cup of crema. We mix it and we leave it in the low heat for 2 minutes. In this step, we take back the beef, we mix it and we leave it in the low heat for 2 minutes more. And here we add little salt with the black pepper. Now we add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. We mix it very well and we leave it for 2 minutes more. Last step, we add some spring onion, we add the pasta, we mix it in the low heat for 2 minutes. Like this, our food is ready for served. Hope everybody like our recipe today. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.